Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my love everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet handbag, beautiful purses and different clutches ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern, most demanding collection, and daily use collection. Mostly girls like crochet accessories, beautiful like crochet dresses, crochet handbag, crochet jewelry. Very nice. Some are light color uses, some are dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, beautiful handmade knitting variety, different ideas. Some are crochet strappy style, wooden handle, metal handle, chain strappy style, lock-up style, zipper style, pocket style. Very nice. Beautiful ideas, most demanding collection. Very nice, beautiful ideas, and you can carry this handbag with matching your dresses in any party, like college, birthday, uni function, and casual at your office. Very nice, beautiful ideas. Hopefully like this. Follow my channel, like and share my video with your family, friends. Press the bell icon. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day and please pray for me.